Solidarity forever. Always fight forever.
This country belongs to all of us. You cannot tell us where to go into and where not to go into in this country. This country belongs to all of us. You can't do it. You can't tell us where to enter and where not to enter in this country. This is our country. We have not been sent away to We are here. We are here. The police are barricades. Solidarity. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights.
Greatest Nigerian people. Greatest Nigerian people. Greatest Nigerian people.
Perfect.
Nobody should ask you today. I'm not getting here.
Calm down.
I'm here for a solidarity with...
One second.
We are here in solidarity with the organizers of this event.
No, drop the mic.
I'm here
I'll chase you guys away.
on behalf
I swear to
of the Nigerian people. I'm here because Nigerians are tired of this particular National Assembly. Nigerians are tired of the government in power led by Tinubu. And to be honest with you, this demand for electoral reform is small compared to what the Nigerian people are asking for.
Yes.
The Nigerian people are even tired of elections.
Exactly.
The Nigerian people are asking for a revolution. And as I've always said, Tinubu, thank you very much. Welcome, Peter. Good job. Tinubu, Akpabio, and the rest of them will help us bring about a revolution in this country.
Yes.
No two ways. To the wall.
That's what I'm happy about.
Yes.
Because you cannot escape it.
At all.
You can imagine just a simple request to transmit election results
Electronically.
as it is happening.
They can do it. Real time.
You know, I'm not even personally interested in transmission. I'm interested in electronic voting, where people can vote from their houses.
Exactly.
And the results will be reflected. It's not counting. It will be reflected as we are voting.
Yes.
Yes.
Because if you can send millions of naira from your phone, you should be able to vote on your phone. But I'm very sorry, these idiots, both in the National Assembly and the executive arm, they said even that is too much. Something that is obsolete in other countries.
Obsolete.
I was with other chairmen of parties, with the INEC chairman, and he told us that India has been doing electronic voting for years now.
More than 300 million registered voters in India.
Let me correct you. There are 900 million registered voters.
Imagine.
The results, the elections are conducted and nobody goes to
Real
court.
time.
The same thing is happening in Brazil. What you are required to do after you vote is to keep a receipt of who you vote for.
Yes.
So if there's a dispute, you just send out the same way you send a receipt of somebody you have paid. Of your transaction. It's a transaction affair. And they will be telling you that there are no internet network in 9 states. But there is, listen to this.
Yes, sir.
There is no state Akpabio goes to in Nigeria that he doesn't find network to connect with his girlfriends.
Exactly.
There is no state that Adams or Omoyele goes to that he doesn't have network to rub the feet of the ashawos.
Exactly.
Yes, professional
So they have been giving you all these excuses so that Nigeria will not progress in our own time.
Yes.
But we have decided that Nigeria must progress in our own time.
Whether they like it or not. No.
And that's why I was warning the police officer who was lifting up a tear gas canister. If you shoot a tear gas here, you have started the war. Because we have told you many times we are not your enemies. But if you want to turn us to your enemies, you know what NSAS is all about.
Yes.
And if this country is good, it will be good for you too. I once came to this National Assembly to fight for policemen. 74,000 of them were promoted because of that since 2025 January and now. These policemen.
Victims.
So don't appeal to them anymore.
No.
We are past that stage. But I want to thank all of you who are here. I'm aware that they are having an emergency meeting.
Yes, sir.
And I urge you to wait until, because if the emergency meeting doesn't resolve the emergency situation, there will be a state of emergency in this country.
Yes.
It's as simple as that.
Yes.
But I cannot do without thanking Peter for having consistently, Aisha, Mama P, and all of us, who have been saying that this is unacceptable.
Yes.
But I will say one last thing. Beyond voting, you must defend your votes.
Protect and defend it, yes, sir.
Because we must stop voting for our enemies in this country.
Yes.
And nobody should be saying that we are only good for protest, that we are not good to be leaders.
Yes.
That's the reason I didn't want to come yesterday. I want the politicians who benefit from our activities to also participate, to also become activists themselves.
Yes.
Not that when we are done fighting, you will not tell us that go and sit down, you are activists. But when it is time to fight for a better country, you say go and fight. Let everybody come outside and fight.
Everybody.
Nobody is too old to fight because they are never too young to fight.
Yes.
They are also never too old to share national cake.
Yes.
So they should not be too old to also march in support of progress,
Never too old to massage
and development.
leg.
Oh wow, how did you know that? So,
To charter a private jet with public
and
resources.
that one was not AI.
It was no. He said it was AI.
I don't think we are at the stage of optimism.
Yes.
We are here to force them to pass the law. To pass the it's not even a new law.
At all.
It's something that existed already that we are even complaining is inadequate for transparent elections.
Exactly.
The reason they are doing this is to ensure that they will not be able to lose the election which they are bound to lose.
Exactly.
I am surprised that the political party that already claimed that they has 31 governors is afraid of.
And more are still coming. What are they afraid of?
Yeah.
They said more are still coming.
But what we have told them is that you might have had 31 governors, but we have 200 million Nigerians.
Over 200.
And if you deduct 31 from 2 million, you can't even count it.
It's still 200 million.
So they know that they have reached the end of their game. Deceiving Nigerians, bringing about poverty, the highest level of insecurity in the history of this country. People are getting killed on a daily basis. Nigerians can't even wait till 2027, if you ask me.
It's too long, actually.
Yes.
We'll try.
And another rumor we are hearing is that they even want to do election in November.
Yes, that's true.
Yes, that's the latest rumor we are hearing.
Oh.
So that
Come on, move and go for
so that before you can prepare, they have already. But let them even do the election today, they will lose.
Okay.
That's the truth. We know all their games. And like I keep telling all of you, prepare to see the end of this political class.
Prepared. We are.
Nobody can reform them. Because some of the people who voted for the removal of this particular section of the Electoral Act, they were people who were with you deceptively in 2022 and 2023.
Yes.
The moment they entered into that evil chamber,
They switched.
they forget you, and that is why we must keep bonding together. We are doing this, and when you see us, it's not for the sake of protest alone that I'm here. We are here to prepare for the nearest future, because we have to shut this country down. There's no question about it. And you know I don't lie about it. I don't lie about my position. I don't believe that elections by themselves can resolve Nigeria's problem.
At all.
It has to be an electoral revolution.
Yes, sir.
Or it has to be a revolution that brings about an election. You know, when they wanted to come to power in 2012, they relied on the action of 2012. What do you mean by that? Occupy Nigeria.
Exactly.
When there was a need for change in 2022, 2023, there was NASS. We are due for a combination of 22.0 right now. Because even the conditions that we are in now are even worse
It's worse.
than led us in 2012 and NASS. So, thank you very much.
What about the political parties?
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Freedom come by struggle. Freedom come by struggle. By struggle. Freedom come. Freedom come by struggle. By struggle. Freedom come. Freedom come by struggle. By struggle. Freedom come by struggle. Freedom come by struggle. By struggle. Freedom come. Freedom come by struggle. Freedom come by struggle. Move it. Freedom come by struggle. Freedom come by struggle. By struggle. Freedom come. Freedom come by struggle. Freedom come by struggle. By struggle. Freedom come. Revolution come by struggle. Freedom come by struggle. By struggle. Freedom come.
Let's go back. We are nowhere to test up.
We came this morning. Homeless protesters. Homeless protesters.
Where is the
Officer, cameraman. Only challenge him by.
No, there's the guy.
Great of Nigeria.